At KC Pier, we get calls quite often, and one of the questions that are asked many times is after we are at the house itself and have come up with solutions for whatever the issue may be, whether it's water or structural, homeowners wonder if they're covered by insurance. And unfortunately, for most issues, for most homeowners, foundation issues, whether it's water or structural, is not covered on insurance claims. You can call. What I would do to make sure is take pictures, catch the issue itself. If it's cracks in your wall or your ceilings or doors are sticking and not opening correctly, get it in pictures and in video. If it's active water penetration, get that on pictures and video, because that'll obviously dry up, or you will clean that up before the insurance adjuster could even look at it. So document first and then call your insurance agent and have the conversation with them. Unfortunately, most of the time you're going to find out that it most likely is not covered. Now, I will say this, with every repair we do at KC Pier, whether it's structural or waterproofing, we have a product called KC Pier ShipShape, and that is an active monitoring product that monitors. It's a set of sensors. It's hooked up to an application on your phone. We monitor your house at our office as well in real time. And so these active sensors can detect water, temperature, and humidity. And we have found that some insurance companies are being able to adopt KC Pier ShipShape as an active monitoring tool, much like a security system. And with that security system or that warranty of KC Pier ShipShape and the monitoring that's provided, they begin to insure the product. You have to get it adopted and shown through your insurance agent and accepted, and they can build it into the policy itself. But we do have customers that are getting some coverage by using a proactive tool like KC Pier ShipShape. So that's a separate conversation. And obviously you can just fill out a web form or give us a call here in Kansas City, and we'll show you the product and show you how it works. It's very, very easy. It's simple to install. Like I said, we install it with every solution or as a standalone solution here at KC Pier. And we even come back after 6 months and check to make sure everything is working in its correct order. We even come back again at a year. So you get 1 year of free coverage with any solution that has KC Pier ShipShape, and you may also get the benefit of having some insurance coverage on the back end as well.